What's up, guys? Andrew Robles Photography right here. I'm new to this channel, this vlog. This is going to be my new little setup and thing that I'm doing. It's about epic B-roll, epic shots. That's the goal every single time. So you're going to be seeing some friends of mine along the journey, along the way of this path that I'm taking. Noah Say, his name on YouTube is I Shoot Things. Sick, epic work, or I wouldn't hang out with the guy. Just kidding. Anyways, I'm all about film, photography. Those are my two main things. Cinematography. I love editing. And you're going to see a lot of me, a lot more. I'm going to shoot for every Friday or Sunday. I don't know. It depends on how it works out. I don't want to have like a set schedule to post my videos. But you'll see a lot of my stuff on Instagram all the time, every day, every other day. What else can I say? You're going to see my link to my Instagram, Facebook, email, maybe my digits. Just kidding. All in the description. I'll see you guys after the intro. Peace. Alright everybody, so this is my day one vlog. I'm going to try to have this up once a week. I'm shooting for either Friday or Saturday. My name is Andrew Robles. This is I Shoot Things. I'll tag his link in here. Alright, we're going to go out looking for some epic B-roll and some epic shots. You guys are going to come along.
You should explain the situation of which we are in now.
Okay, so right now I didn't really get it on film, but we went to the observatory and it started pouring down on us hard. Hold on. How do I flip this around?
You turn the camera.
Oh.
Turn your hand.
Oh shit. Oh man, I fucked it up. Anyways, it's pouring outside, guys. It's raining cats and dogs. So that's the situation we're in right now. We're gonna go look for a drive.
But it's not stopping us. We're still going hard.
We're gonna go to the beach now.
Get real wet.
Alright, we're gonna see you later.
Bit high on the feeling, can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better.